Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to cover all the remaining topics of crop production and management. So let's first talk about protection from weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants that grow along with crops in the field. And examples are wildgrass, parthenium. So weeds are unwanted plants and they are also harmful for the growing crops. Weeds compete with crops for water, nutrients, sunlight and space. They reduce crop yield because crops get fewer nutrients. Harbor pests and diseases that can spread to crops and interfere with harvesting and make fields messy. Now there are four methods of weed control. First one are manual or physical methods. And manual methods include hand weeding. It means removing weeds by hand or with tools like khurpi. Second method is plugging or tilling that we have discussed in our previous class. It loosens soil and uproots weeds before sowing. And third method is mulching. It means covering soil with straw or plastic sheets to prevent weed growth. Second method of weed control is chemical method with the help of weedicides. In this method, chemicals like 2,4-D, MCPA are spread to kill weeds, applied using a sprayer. So these chemicals can affect farmers' health also, so they should be used carefully. Third method is biological control. In this method, natural predators are used to destroy weeds. Living organisms like insects, bacteria, or animals are used. Certain insects, fungi, or animals feed on or infect only specific weeds. When these organisms are released in the field, they reduce the growth and spread of the weed. This method is safe, eco-friendly, and leaves no harmful chemicals in soil. So examples are cochineal insects used to control prickly pear cactus, opuntia. Fish called grass carp used to control aquatic weeds. And fungi used to infect and destroy parasitic weeds. So this method of weed control is environment friendly. It causes no pollution, it is safe for crops and soil, and it has a long lasting control. And the best time for removal of weeds is before they produce seeds and flowers. Our next topic is harvesting. So harvesting is the process of cutting and collecting the mature crop from the fields. When is harvesting done? When the crops are fully grown and the leaves and grains become dry and hard. So there are mainly two methods of harvesting. First one is manual harvesting and second one is machine harvesting. Manual harvesting is done using sickles. It is common in small farms, but manual harvesting needs more time and labor. Machine harvesting is done using a harvester or combine machine. This method is fast and efficient. Combine machine does cutting, threshing and winnowing together. Now, what happens after harvesting? First, threshing is done. It means separating grains from stalks. Second, winnowing is done. It means removing chaff from grains. Third, drying is done. The grains are dried in sunlight. And fourth, the storage is done. The clean grains are stored in silos, bags, or granaries. Why is harvesting important? To ensure we collect the crop at the right time. It helps prevent losses due to animals, wind, insects, and rainfall. And final step is storage of crops. After harvesting and threshing, crops must be stored properly to keep them safe from damage. If storage is not done correctly, the crops can get spoiled, rotten, or eaten by pests. Why proper storage is needed? Storage grains can be damaged by moisture, insects, rats, fungi, or microorganisms. So the grains must be clean, dry, and protected. There are some steps for proper storage of crops. First step is drying the crops. Before storage, grains like wheat, rice, and pulses are dried in the sun. Drying removes, we know, moisture, and removal of moisture prevents fungal growth, rotting, and insect attack. Second step is cleaning the grains. All stones, dirt, and damaged grains are removed. Clean grains are safer and last longer. Third step is use of proper storage containers. Farmers store grain in metal bins, gunny bags, airtight containers, grain silos, means large towers, granaries, means storehouses. So these prevent air, moisture, rats, and insects from entering. Fourth step is use of chemicals. So pesticides, fumigants, or neem leaves are sometimes used to keep insects away. Last step is storage in government warehouses. FCI, Food Corporation of India, stores grains in large clean godowns for long-term storage. So grains must be dry, clean, and kept in airtight, pest-proof containers for safe storage. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.